Hello student, how are you? Myself Rahmat Pathan. I will teach you English subject. Dear student, I will read and explain lesson 1 so you will listen carefully. Once six wise men went on a journey together. They saw a deep river on their way. There was no boat, so they swam across the river. They all got safely to the other bank. Are we all safe? Asked one of the wise men. Let us count and see, said the others. The first man counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and said, Look, one of us is missing. There are only 5 of us here. He counted only the others. You are silly, said the second wise man. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you are right. God. One of us is missing. We are only 5 now. He too counted only the others. I will count and see, said the third man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My God, there were 6 of us on the other bank. There are only 5 here. One of us is drowned. The fourth man counted. He too said, We are only 5. What shall we do? Then the fifth and the sixth man counted. They all said, We are only 5. One of us is drowned. And they all sat down on the bank and cried, One of us is drowned. What shall we do? Oh, our dear friend, what shall we do? Time, the leader of the wise men said, We started on our journey on a bad day, so we lost one of us. We will not go on now. Let's go home. The others agreed. The wise men swam across the river and got back to the other bank. A man from their village saw them and asked them, Aren't you going on your journey? No, we are not, said the leader of the wise men. We had an accident. We lost one of us in the river, so we are going back home. Who did you lose? The villager asked. We don't know, said the leader of the wise men. We were 6, now we are only 5. The villager counted them. They were 6 and not 5. He thought, These wise men are really foolish. Each one of them counted only the others, so he counted only 5. I will teach these fools to count. He then told them, Stand in a line and I will tell you your number. The villager went to the first man, gave a rap on his head with his knuckles, and counted 1. He gave a rap on the head of the second man and counted 2. In this way, he came to the sixth man, gave a rap on his head, and counted 6. You see now, you are 6 and not 5, he said. Hey, you are right, they all shouted in great joy. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. The leader now told them, The missing man is back with us now, so let's go on your our journey. हेलो स्टूडेंट, अब मैं आपको इसकी समरी समझाऊंगी। आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे। एक बार 6 व्यक्ति यात्रा के लिए निकले। उन्हें रास्ते में एक गहरी नदी दिखाई दी। वहाँ कोई नाव नहीं थी, इसलिए उन्होंने तैरकर नदी को पार किया। उनमें से एक बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति ने पूछा, हम सब सुरक्षित हैं, चलो हम एक दूसरे को गिनना शुरू करते हैं। पहला व्यक्ति गिनता है और कहता है, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5। देखो, हम में से कोई एक गायब है, हम सिर्फ 5 ही हैं। वह केवल दूसरों को ही गिनता है। फिर दूसरा व्यक्ति कहता है, तुम तो मूर्ख हो, अब मुझे गिनने दो। उसने भी गिनना शुरू किया और कहा, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5। ऐसे ही तीसरा व्यक्ति भी गिनता है और वह भी यही कहता है कि हम में से कोई एक गायब है। फिर चौथा व्यक्ति कहता है कि हाँ, हम सिर्फ 5 ही हैं, हम में से जो व्यक्ति गायब है वो डूब चुका है। ऐसे ही पांचवा और छठा व्यक्ति भी यही कहता है। इस तरीके से वो कुछ सोचने लगते हैं और विचार करने लगते हैं और फिर नदी के किनारे बैठकर रोने लगते हैं और कहते हैं कि प्रिय मित्र, अब हम क्या करेंगे। आगे बात सुन के बुद्धिमान नेता ने कहा कि हमने अपनी यात्रा खराब समय में शुरू की है, जिससे हमने एक को खो दिया है। अब हमको लौट जाना चाहिए, चलो हम घर चलते हैं। इस बात से सब सहमत हो जाते हैं और अपने घर को वापस लौटने की तैयारी करते हैं और वो तैर कर अपने गांव पहुंच जाए। जैसे ही वो गांव पहुंचे, उनको एक व्यक्ति मिला और उस व्यक्ति ने उनसे पूछा कि आखिर तुमने अपनी यात्रा पूरी क्यों नहीं की। फिर उन लोगों ने बताया कि हमारे साथ में एक दुर्घटना हुई है जिसमें हमने एक व्यक्ति को खो दिया है। यह सुनकर वो जो गांव वाला रहता है वो उनको गिनना शुरू करता है और कहता है कि तुम 5 नहीं 6 हो। और वह सोचने लगता है कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा मूर्ख दिखाई दे रहे हैं, इसलिए वो जो गांव वाला रहता है उनको एक लाइन में खड़ा कर देता है और खड़ा करने के बाद में एक दूसरे को अपने हाथ से गिनना शुरू करता है। तो वह पहले व्यक्ति से लेकर 6 व्यक्ति तक इस तरह से गिनता है ताकि वो जो व्यक्ति रहते हैं उनको समझ में व्यक्ति उनको गिन लेता है तो वह कहता है कि देखो तुम 5 नहीं 6 हो और तुम, तो वो सब उनसे बोलते हैं कि हाँ तुम सही कहते हो। इस तरीके से जैसे ही उनको मालूम पड़ता है कि हम 5 नहीं 6 हैं, वो खुश हो जाते हैं और उस व्यक्ति को धन्यवाद बोलते हैं और कहते हैं कि अब हमारा जो गुमा हुआ व्यक्ति था वो हमको मिल चुका है, इसलिए अब हमको अपनी यात्रा शुरू करनी चाहिए। यू विल अंडरस्टैंड एंड लर्न मीनिंग ऑफ गिवन वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट इज एक्सीडेंट, मीनिंग ऑफ दिस एन unpleasant event. Second, knuckle, meaning of this any of the joints in the fingers. Third, rape, meaning of this a quick sharp hit. Fourth, journey, meaning of this an act of traveling from one palace to another. Fifth, wise, meaning of this able to make sensible decisions. Sixth, safely, meaning of this without being harmed or lost. Seventh, drowned, meaning of this to die because one has been under water too long and cannot breathe. Eighth, missing, meaning of this that cannot be found. Ninth, really, meaning of this used to say what actually the fact is. 10th, foolish, meaning of this not showing good sense or judgment. 11th, swim, meaning of this to move through water in horizontal position using the arms and legs. In page number 4, you will listen and repeat some words with me. First is RAP rap, BANK bank, DEEP deep, BOAT boat, WENT vent, MAP map, RANK rank, PEEP pip, COAT cot, RENT rent, CAP cap, SANK sank, KEEP keep, MOAT more, SENT sent. In question number 2, you will read and learn forms of verb. These are 3 types: present, past and participle. Get, got, got. Ask, asked, asked. Swim, swam, swum. Count, counted, counted. Drawn, drowned, drowned. Start, started, started. Agree, agreed, agreed. Cry, cried, cried. Lost, lost, lost. Stand, stood, stood. In question number 3, you will find the word from the text which means the same. Example, a person who behaves in a way that lacks intelligence, foolish. First, to have the same opinion as somebody, that means agree. Second, having a large distance from the top to bottom, that means high. Third, from one side to the other side, that means across. Fourth, a person who leads a group of people, that means leader. Fifth, a feeling of great happiness, that means joy. In question number 4, you will read the statements given below and write true or false. First, one of the wise men was drawn into the river. False. Second, the wise men were really foolish. True. Third, the villager was a fool. False. Fourth, one of the wise men counted 6. False. Fifth, the leader of the wise men said, the missing man is back with us now, so let's go back to our homes. For दिए हुए हैं उनके आंसर आपको PDF फाइल के द्वारा इस लेसन के बाद में मिलेंगे, जिसको आपको अपनी CW कॉपी में लिखना है। अब हम एक्सरसाइज सी फिल करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम हु वाले ब्लॉक को फिल करेंगे। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज आर वी ऑल सेफ? आंसर ऑफ दिस वन ऑफ द वाइज मैन। सेकेंड, वी आर ओनली 5, व्हाट शेल वी डू? आंसर ऑफ दिस फोर्थ वाइज मैन। थर्ड, we started on our journey on a bad day, so we lost one of us. You will feel leader of the wise men. Aren't you going on your journey? Answer of this villager. The missing man is back with us now, so let's go on our journey. Answer of this leader of the wise men. Now we will fill block whom. First sentence is are we all safe? Answer of these otherwise men. Second, we are only 5. What shall we do? Answer of these otherwise men. Third, we started on our journey on a bad day, so we lost one of us. Answer of these otherwise men. Aren't you going on your journey? Answer of this wise men. The missing man is back with us now, so let's go on our journey. Answer of this wise man. In exercise C, you will fill in the blanks in the following sentences with the past form of the verbs given in brackets. First, the 6 wise men went on a journey. Second, they swam across the river. Third, each one of the wise men counted only the others. Number 6. Fourth, we started on our journey on a bad day. Fifth, one of the wise men drowned into the river. Sixth, all sat down on the bank and cried. In exercise B, look at this sentence. First, A. I have 3 brothers. B. One lives in Mumbai. In place of sentence A and B, we can say one of my brothers live in Mumbai. Now combine each pair of sentences below as shown above. First A. I have 3 uncles. B. One lives in England. We will combine and join this sentence and answer of this one of my 3 uncles live in England. Second A. There are 31 boys but only 30 seats. B. One boy sits on the floor. We will combine these and answer of this one of 31 boys sits on the floor. Third A. There are 5 bangles on her hand. B. One is a green bangle. Answer of this one of the 5 bangles on her hand is green. Fourth A. There were 4 chairs in my room. B. One is missing. Answer of this one of the 4 chairs is missing from my room. Fifth A. There are 40 teachers in the school. B. Only one is a woman. Answer of this one of the 40 teachers is woman in the school. In exercise C, let's write the town of Rampur had a very good school. What things were there in the school? ये एक्सरसाइज आपको PDF फाइल में मिलेगी और आपको इसको CW कॉपी में लिखना है। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में आपको 5 नदियों के नाम लिखने हैं, वो भी आप अपनी CW कॉपी में लिखेंगे। थैंक यू।